Hello, in this section it's about graphing the trig functions on the XY axis. So if you, I'd recommend reading through the section and they build up to graphing all the 6 trig functions. This particular one you're asking about, describe how to answer, about the y equals secant of x. So I have it open, your book open on page 138 here, and they've graphed y equals secant of x, which is reciprocal cosine. So it's this guy in red here. The blue part, that's the cosine. Then the red part's its reciprocal, the secant. So you want to look at this red part here to answer the question that's being asked. So it's asking, as x increases, as x values go from 0 to pi halves, what's y doing? So you look on your x-axis here. Here would be 0, and here would be pi halves. So you want to look from 0 to pi halves. What's the graph doing? What's going, it's starting at 1, and it's just going up and up to infinity. And so I guess you come down here, y increases from 1 to infinity. Yeah. Then we look from what's it doing from pi halves to pi. And so if you come down here, here's x pi halves to pi. What's the graph doing? Well, right here's the graph. Now it's coming from negative infinity, and it's coming up to negative 1. So it's coming from negative infinity up to negative 1. And so, let's see, y increases values from negative infinity up to negative 1, I believe, would be the correct answer here. Then we want to go from pi to 3 pi halves, and I think we're going so we want to go from pi to 3 pi halves, so you want to go from here to here. And so what's the graph doing? Well, it's starting at negative 1, and then it's going down. So it'd be, we don't see that choice, but it'd be going from negative 1 to negative infinity. And hopefully you see how, looking at the graph, you're supposed to answer this question. And if you read through this book, they build up to these graphs. They show you how to get them. Hope this helps.